Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mr. Martin here, Unit Director over at the lab location in Rocky Mount. I'm reaching out to you guys today with another fun activity. This activity will kind of take your mind off of things a little bit, okay? So, you're going to need 3 sheets of paper. It can be notebook paper, it can be line paper, it can be construction paper, newspaper. Hey, it can even be toilet paper, but just don't use that much, okay? All right? Also, you're going to need a pen or a pencil. I chose a marker, whatever you may choose to use, you can use it. On each sheet of paper, this is what you're going to do, okay? So listen up. You're going to write down one worry that you may have during these times. So one of my worries was, I might share it with you, not being able to see you guys. So that's been a tough transition for me, just walking into the club and hearing absolutely nothing. Like no basketball dribbling, no music in the back, no kids running around, nobody yelling at each other, stop, 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 stuff like that. It's just like, that's been a tough transition for me. So what I want you to do with each worry that you have, take it, ball it up nice firm ball. It should look like a nice paper ball, okay? I know some of you guys may watch NBA, WNBA. So if you have a favorite basketball player or women's basketball player, this is a good activity for you guys, okay? So my favorite player is Stephen Curry. So a lot of people call him Steph Curry, the greatest shooter of all time. So that's my favorite player. So find a trash can. Even if you have a friend or a brother or sister, you can get them to make an arm hoop. So I'm using the trash can today. What you're going to do is take each worry that you have and you're going to throw them in the trash can, okay? So as you're throwing them in the trash can, you say your favorite NBA player or WNBA player's name. So mine is Curry. So when I'm shooting, you say Curry, just like that, okay? So this activity is great for you because just like the famous movie The Lion King said, Hakuna Matata, that means don't worry. So any worries that you may have, just throw them away. The times that we're in, just remember this, nothing lasts forever. Hey, just reaching out to you guys with another positive message and a positive activity. If you guys need anything, don't be afraid to contact me, okay? Until next time.